I'm going to step into the park once again, just so you can see a little bit more. Looks like they're working on another area over here, but this is in more of a lane. It's lighted. What I wanted to point out too is a Yardbird Southern Table and Bar, and that looks fun. That's right over there, so you can enjoy some food before or after or during your visit to Klyde Warren. Okay, so we are at the other side now of Klyde Warren, and that's a great tour. It feels just great walking through there. I'm gonna just walk a little bit more over here. There's more of the freeway that's over there. And again, remember, it's just right under there. So yeah, we've just got a beautiful park area waiting for you to come. When you come to Dallas, you're gonna love Klyde Warren Park and checking this area out. And again, Uptown is just right over there. So that's north, and then west is over here would be Victory Park and the West End and other areas to check out. So all right, I hope you've enjoyed this brief walking tour of Klyde Warren Park, and check out some of our other walking tours that we've got, and they are of the areas near here, including downtown, Uptown, and nearby. Make sure to check those out. Okay, talk to you guys later.